All right, everybody, welcome back. You know, a lot of us are thinking about the same thing right now.
hmm
How do we make our money work harder? Because it feels like,
Especially in 2025.
yeah, exactly right. Inflation is not going anywhere soon.
Yeah,
And so we want to make sure our money is at least keeping up with it, or even better yet, outpacing it.
exactly.
So today we are diving into,
Deep diving. Yay!
this guide we have here called
Yes.
the 2025 Guide to Building Passive Income Streams That Outpace Inflation.
Long title,
Long title.
but it's a good one.
That's it.
What I think is so interesting about this is that we're not just talking about,
Side hustle.
yeah, like, oh, make a little extra cash on the side.
Right.
We're talking about building real financial security.
Yeah.
So
For the future.
For the future. Yeah, that's right.
Long term.
Long term and maybe even freedom.
Absolutely.
Right? Like if you can really get these passive income streams going.
You can change your life.
Yeah.
Then you can potentially, change your life. Do the things you want to do.
That's right.
Have more choices.
Have more choices.
Less worry.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the goal here.
Yeah.
That's what we're going for.
Let's do it.
And this guide has some really interesting ideas. I was really impressed by some of the stuff they came up with in here.
Yeah.
It's not just the same old stuff. It's
Yeah.
stuff I hadn't even thought of.
Yeah.
But before we even get there, I think it's important to lay the groundwork
All right.
and talk about why this is so important.
Yeah.
Why are we even talking about passive income? Why is it so important to have passive income streams, particularly in 2025? What's the big deal?
Yeah. So, I think the biggest thing is this, right? The big bad wolf is inflation.
Inflation.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the monster under the bed.
It's the monster under the bed. Yeah.
And I think a lot of people understand,
Sort of.
like, yeah, inflation's a problem. Like, I know prices are going up,
Right.
but I don't think they really realize the impact. Exactly.
Yeah.
It's
I
like,
can be really devastating.
it is like if you just let your money sit
Right.
in a savings account.
Or even like under your mattress.
Yeah, or like bury it in the backyard like people used to do.
Right.
And you don't do anything with it. You're literally watching your money
Melt
away.
Yeah.
It's like it's evaporating in front of your eyes.
It's scary.
It is scary.
It is scary. And so,
That's why it's so important
yeah,
to at least keep pace with inflation
exactly.
and ideally outrun it.
Yeah.
That's what we're here for.
And so how do we outrun it? That's where passive income comes in.
That's right.
That's the secret weapon.
The secret weapon.
So how would you even explain like passive income? Because I know sometimes that can feel
like a little bit of
overwhelming. Like, where do I even?
like, what is it?
Yeah, like what even is it?
Yeah. So I think the simplest way to think about passive income is that it's money you earn with trading your time for it.
Directly trading your time for it.
Exactly.
Right.
Like you have a job.
Like a 9 to 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're trading
You're trading your hours
an hour
$4.
for X number of dollars.
Yeah. And that's it.
And the second you stop working,
Money stops.
the money stops.
Yeah.
With passive income, the idea is that you're setting something up
Yeah.
that will continue to generate
Income.
for you, even if you're not actively,
Working on.
you're building an asset rather than just working for a paycheck.
Yeah. I love that distinction.
Yeah.
Building an asset versus just
Trading time for money.
trading time for money.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get into the specifics.
All right.
This guide covers a lot of different strategies.
Yeah.
And some of them are pretty familiar, but they always put a new twist on it, I thought.
Yeah.
Like the first one that they talk about is dividend paying stocks.
Yeah.
Right. And that's something I think a lot of people
You've heard of.
have heard of,
Yeah.
but maybe they don't fully understand or they're not quite sure how to get started.
Right.
So what I love about this is that, the idea of owning like a tiny little piece of like Coca-Cola
Yeah.
or Apple or like these companies that everyone knows,
Yeah.
it's kind of cool.
It's kind of appealing.
It is appealing.
Yeah.
Like I own a little piece of that.
Yeah.
But what I think people maybe don't realize is the power of those dividends.
Right.
And they talk about something here called DRAPs.
Yes.
Dividend Reinvestment Plan.
Dividend reinvestment plans. Yeah.
And so explain to me,
Yeah.
like how does that work and why is that so powerful?
Yeah, so when you first start investing in dividend stocks, you might be like, oh, okay, I'm going to get, maybe a couple bucks every quarter,
Right.
whatever it is.
Yeah.
But with the DRIP, what happens is that those dividends are automatically used to buy more stock.
More stock.
And then those shares then generate more dividends.
Oh, wow.
And it kind of snowballs. And so over time, it can really compound and grow your wealth.
Wow. So it's not just about getting that little dividend check. It's about
using that
using it to buy more.
to fuel more growth.
Oh, I love that. Okay.
It's the magic of compounding.
Yeah, that's powerful.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's dividend paying stock. Now, let's move on to something that is a little bit more tangible, I would say.
Okay.
Real estate. A lot of people love real estate.
Yeah, it's a classic.
It's a classic.
No reason.
For a reason.
Right.
But traditionally, it requires
A lot of money.
a lot of money.
A lot of headaches.
Yeah. Do you want to be a landlord?
Not really.
No, I don't want to be a landlord. But this guide talks about something called real estate crowdfunding.
Right.
And this is like blowing my mind a little bit because I didn't even realize this was a thing.
Yeah.
So can you explain, like, what is this and how does it work?
Yeah. So basically, you have these platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul,
Okay.
and they allow you to basically pool your money with other investors
Mm-hmm.
and invest in these big real estate projects
Right.
that you wouldn't normally have access to.
Yeah, because you wouldn't be able to afford it on your own.
You wouldn't be able to afford it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're buying fractional shares of properties,
Oh, wow.
and then you get to earn rental income.
Rental income. Okay.
And you could potentially benefit from appreciation.
Oh. So you're getting kind of the best of both worlds.
Yeah, you get the passive income from the rents,
Hmm.
and then you also have the potential for that long-term growth
Yeah, that's amazing. Go
if
ahead.
the property value goes up.
I'm adding that to my list.
All right.
That's really cool.
It's a good one.
Okay, so that's real estate crowdfunding. What's next?
Okay, so this next one is for all the creative folks out there.
I like that.
All right.
I'm creative.
Yeah, so this is digital products. And I think this is really cool because it allows you to leverage your skills and your passions
Yeah.
to create something once
Yeah.
and then potentially sell it over and over again.
Oh, that's the dream.
That is the dream.
Okay, give me some examples.
Yeah, so like ebooks are a great example.
Okay.
You know, if you're an expert on something, write an ebook,
Courses,
online courses,
stock photos,
stocks photography,
design templates.
design templates, all sorts of things.
Oh, wow, yeah.
And then you can sell these on platforms like Gumroad,
Okay.
Udemy, Creative Market,
Oh, yeah.
Shutterstock, all sorts of places.
So you're basically creating your own little business
Right.
that can run in the background,
Yeah,
generating income
that's right.
while you're doing other things.
That's the passive income dream right there.
That's the dream. Okay, so we got dividend-paying stocks. We got real estate crowdfunding. We've got digital products. Now we're moving into something I think is really interesting, and it's kind of a new twist
Mm-hmm.
on an old idea, which is affiliate marketing.
Okay.
And I'll admit, I've heard this term, but I'm not really sure what it is.
Yeah.
So can you explain it?
Yeah, so basically affiliate marketing is about recommending products or services that you love
Okay.
and then earning a commission
Oh.
when someone buys through your unique link.
Oh, that's cool. So like
Yeah.
if I have a blog
Right.
and I talk about, fitness.
Yeah.
And I love these yoga pants.
Yeah.
I can link to them.
Right.
And if someone buys them through my link,
You get a cut.
I get a little commission.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
That's affiliate marketing.
All right. What are some platforms where people can do that?
Yeah. So there are a bunch of them, but some of the big ones are Amazon Associates,
Okay.
ClickBank,
Mm-hmm.
Share a Sale,
Okay.
CJ Affiliate.
So I could basically go to any of these places,
Yeah, pretty much.
find a product I love,
Right.
sign up,
Get your link.
and start promoting it.
That's it.
That's pretty cool. Okay.
Yeah.
I like that.
It's a good one.
All right. So now let's move into the future a little bit here.
Yeah, okay.
We're talking crypto
Staking.
staking. Yes.
Now, I will admit this one.
It's a little more complex.
Yeah, it's a little bit more complex.
Yeah.
It's a little bit more of a mystery to me.
Yeah.
So break this down for me.
Okay. So basically with crypto staking, you are holding certain cryptocurrencies.
Okay.
It's like Ethereum
Mm-hmm.
or Cardano,
Okay.
and you're basically helping to validate transactions
Okay.
on the network.
So I'm like a little mini bank.
You're like a little
Validator. Okay.
Yeah. I like that.
You're helping to secure the network,
Okay.
and in return,
Yes.
you're getting rewarded
With more crypto.
with more crypto.
Okay.
So it's kind of like earning interest on your crypto holdings.
Okay. So it's kind of like
Yeah.
instead of putting my money in a savings account,
Right.
that's earning a measly, 0.5%.
Right.
I'm putting it in crypto, and it's earning
Potentially more.
potentially way more.
Yeah.
Okay, but there are risks.
Yes, always.
Always risks.
Especially with crypto.
Especially with crypto.
It's a volatile asset class.
Okay, so don't put all your eggs in one basket.
No.
Diversify.
Diversify.
Okay, got it.
That's the key.
So we've talked about a lot of different
Yeah.
passive income streams here.
We have.
My head is spinning a little bit.
I know.
Where do I even start?
That's the big question, right?
Yeah.
So, I think the most important thing is to start small.
Okay.
Don't try to do everything at once.
Don't boil the ocean.
Don't boil the ocean.
Yeah.
Choose 1 or 2 strategies
Okay.
that resonate with you.
Okay. So something that I'm
That you're interested in?
interested and excited about,
Yeah,
that fits my skills.
exactly.
Okay.
And your risk tolerance.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Some of these are riskier than others.
Some are riskier than others, exactly.
Okay.
And then just start learning, okay? And start small
Small steps.
small steps, and automate wherever you can.
Automation. That's key.
Automation is key.
Right.
Yeah.
Because that's what makes it passive.
Right.
Like set it and forget it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if you're investing, use robo-advisors
Okay.
to kind of take the emotion out of it. If you're doing digital products, use scheduling software
Okay.
to help you kind of automate that process.
So I don't have to be there
You don't have to be there all the time.
24/7.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. So start small,
Yeah.
automate where you can,
Mhm.
anything else.
Yeah. The last thing is don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Oh, that's so important.
It is so important. Diversify.
I had to
Diversify.
Across different income streams.
Okay. So maybe I'll do a little bit of dividend paying stocks.
Right.
A little bit of real estate crowdfunding.
Maybe some affiliate marketing.
Oh, and I'll write an ebook.
Why not? Throw it all in there. Throw it all in there. Right.
Yeah.
Not all my eggs in one basket,
Exactly.
but spread it around a little bit.
That's the way to go.
So that if one thing
Right.
doesn't work out so well, or the market changes, or
And
whatever,
things to fall back on.
you got that safety net.
That's right.
Okay, this has been
So
so
much
thorough,
information.
but it's so exciting
It is exciting.
because it really does feel like these are tangible things that people can do
Absolutely.
to take control of their finances,
Yeah.
to build that financial future that they want.
It's empowering.
It is empowering, and it's really cool to see.
Yeah.
And you know what I think is really interesting
What's that?
that I'm thinking about now? Is how you could even combine these,
Oh, yeah.
right? Like, maybe I could use the dividends from my stocks
Right?
to fund my real estate crowdfunding,
That's a great idea.
right?
Yeah.
Or maybe I could use the money I'm making
From your digital products.
from my digital products to invest in some crypto staking.
Oh, I like that.
Like, what are the possibilities here?
The possibilities are endless.
It's really exciting to think about.
Yeah, it is.
So I would love to know what you're thinking about.
Yeah.
What are you thinking about exploring?
What are you going to combine?
What are you going to combine?
Yeah.
Let us know.
Yeah.
And until next time, keep diving deep and building that financial freedom.
That's it.